Codex. Here, I'll be walking you through how you can actually leverage using VS Code as a super tool. VS Code has a lot of functionality, and some of those functionality are largely underused. And it would be nice for you to actually see how you can harness the power of VS Code. Now, one thing that VS Code has recently is introduction of Codex. So, which means that you can also interact with Codex directly from VS Code. To do that, you can naturally just go to your VS Code and you can enable Codex. And there's a difference between Codex and also chat. Chat is a way that you interact um you can interact with your agent, you can interact with your AI, choosing a particular model here, as you can see. You can choose on GPT 5.6, you can choose on Mac Code or Claude, different kind of Claude model. You can select that. You can also specify a different model of your choice. So you can also specify Kimi or Raptor Mini. Now, what that's also interesting is that while you can do that, you could also do something else. Something else such as what? Leveraging the usage of Codex. So with Codex here, you'll be able to sign in with your ChatGPT and you can just interact or just use the Codex. Now, one of the benefits of doing this is it abstracts the need of having to download Codex again, because Codex is ChatGPT harness tool, which you'll be interacting with Codex. You can also be interacting with a different kind of interaction as well here. So VS Code, try and leverage your VS Code to use different kind of ways of interacting with your application that you're building. Leverage Codex for that. Also leverage what VS Code was initially built for. Not built for per se, but what's the capability that it has. So sign in with your ChatGPT, sign in into that, or you can use your API keys. Once you're able to use your API key, or you could also authenticate using your device code. Once you do that, you can interact with your Codex. You can leverage Codex while still using VS Code without having to download Codex application. Thank you.